Hi friends, welcome to IntelliCloud. Today I am going to discuss a common issue that occurs when creating mapping data flow and running it in debug mode. Sometimes we encounter an error like error code 4502. There are substantial concurrent mapping data flow execution which is causing failure due to throttling under integration runtime called AutoResolveIntegrationRuntime. First, experience the issue, then we will check how we can get rid of this issue to run our mapping data flow in debug mode. This is my data flow. Here I am just copying some data into Snowflake. I have enabled the data flow debug and now clicking on debug. Debug started. Refresh. It failed in 7 seconds. So what exactly it is saying? Error code 4502. The details are there are substantial concurrent mapping data flow execution which is causing failure due to throttling under integration runtime. Error code 4502 saying a large number of data flow activities are occurring currently on the integration runtime. Means this is busy with running other mapping data flows. To run our data flow in a debug mode, in such cases, besides to debug, there is a down arrow. Click on that. Select use activity runtime. So what this means? So whenever we select this use run activity runtime, each data flow on a separate instance using a activity runtime settings. I selected activity runtime. Debug started. See earlier this got failed in 7 seconds. Now this is 17 seconds. This is in progress. Let's wait for the data flow success. After 3 minutes plus, this got success. So this is how we can run mapping data flow in a debug mode to test before checking code into the repository. I hope you got the solution. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more solution for your problems. Thank you.